Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am back with another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm about to show you how to link your saving or current account to your card on DBS account. So I'll be guiding you throughout this video. All you have to do is follow the instruction as guided. So before getting started, make sure to check your internet connection and then let us get started. Once you open up your DBS application, you'll have to log in into your account. So you can either use a touch, Face ID or Digibank user ID and PIN in order to log in into your account. And once you're logged into your account, on the other page, this is what the interface is going to look like. After that, you'll have to tap on the More icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you tap on More, under Manage Card and Loan, you have a multiple option. So from there, you'll have to tap on Link Card to Account in the top right corner of your screen. After that, you'll have to select the card that you wish to change the account linkage for. After that, what you have to do is you'll have to select the primary linkage account and any other secondary account to be linked to the card. After you're done selecting, just tap on Next, which is right at the bottom. After you tap on Next, you'll have to make sure all of your details are correct. And after you're done confirming, tap on Confirm, which is right at the bottom. And that is how you can link your saving or current account to your card on DBS account. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.